Are you guys ready? Another toga in MSFS. Here we come. Hey, Manchester traffic, Air France 17 Zulu Mike. Taking off, runway 05 left, Manchester traffic. A little bit of power, aka 50%. Let's try not to skid off the runway. Stable. Toga. Worst engine sounds in the world. SRS runway auto thrust blue. Airspeed is live. 100 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate, gear up. See you, Manchester! See ya, see ya, see ya! Yoo-hoo! And 1500, thrust climb. Time to make a little turny turn. Oh, that is nice. And flaps up. Right, autopilot on. Oh, yes. Let's go, let's go.